We're here at Eaton's Power Systems Experience Center, and we have our Green Motion DC EV charger installed right here in the PSEC parking lot. So let's take this opportunity to look at the main parts of this 50 to 150 kilowatt fast charger. From the front, we can see two charging cables, cable A on the left and B on the right. The front display guides the driver through a charging session, and we'll see this in detail a bit later. There are three color-coded status LEDs, one above the left cable, one beneath the front display, and one above the right side cable. The emergency stop switch is for emergency shutdown only. So, if you or your 3-year-old presses it by mistake, simply twist the button to release and reset. Then you can start a new charging session. Now, let's open the front door. This stops all power, and see what's inside. In the upper section, we have the control module, where the charger owner's network cable is connected if used. The control module also houses the SIM card for connection via 4G cellular network. Below the control module, there are up to 6 power modules. Each of these are rated at 25 kilowatts, and the power ratings of the charger are based on how many of these power modules are installed. The charger can be configured for multiple ratings: 50, 75, 100, and 150 kilowatts. The AC input breaker is here on the bottom left, and notice the replaceable air filters on the inside of the front door. Now, let's get a side view. Here we see the charging cable with the CCS1 type plug for connection to the electric vehicle's charger port. The CCS1 is the most common charger receptacle on non-Tesla EVs, and a Tesla-style connector will soon be available as well. Now, let's go around to the back and open the rear door. Here we see the rear view of the power modules, and their circuit breakers are located down here. And lastly, the 4 cooling fans are housed on the inside of the rear door. So finally, let's go through the steps of charging an electric vehicle. The vehicle driver will tap the front display and be prompted to select the left or right side cable from the screen. Now, plug the connector into the EV receptacle and return to the screen. A QR code will appear that can be scanned by a mobile device. No app is needed and there's nothing to download. Just follow the instructions on your phone. Alternatively, the driver can tap the card reader with their access card issued by the charger owner. Once authorized, the charging session will automatically begin. The front display shows important information such as a bar graph showing the % battery charge level and an indicator which shows this driver has selected charge until full. They can also select a time-limited or price-limited charging session. The charging current, voltage, and kilowatt hours are displayed as well. Now, the driver may stop the charging session at any time by choosing the Stop Charging button on the display. Once the charging is complete, unplug and replace the cable on the retention hook, and you're all done. If you'd like to learn more about Eaton's DC fast charger for EVs, check out eaton.com/EV chargers. Or, if you want to see one in service, contact your Eaton representative to schedule a visit to one of our Power System Experience Centers today.